keto has changed my life so much, and I just want to share that with other people. I mean, we sell it too, and we do a dang good job with the flavors and everything, but more than anything else, I want to make keto really easy for people. And well, when I started keto, so I guess going back, I jumped in with both feet without doing any research, without doing really much of anything, and I got keto flu so bad. I was laying in bed, I was Googling keto flu. It's like, oh, that's a thing. So, drank some chicken broth, learned about drinking pickle juice, and everything was better. So, I'm looking for ways to help other people to succeed at keto more than anything else. So, like we sponsor a meetup group in Utah, which is hi Utah. That's where we're from, and just we don't promote our product there. It's just bringing people in, telling them about keto, and it's amazing the changes that you can see in people's lives. We'll have people who come in, and you can see from month to month them losing weight.
What are the top 5 things that got better for you?
Being able to, I actually remember my kids got one of those rip sticks, the ones where you swivel your feet back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
It is the second most inefficient mode of transportation known to man. The most inefficient is a pogo stick.
Okay.
This is close. And my kids, well, they wanted to teach me how to do it, and then I was also learning how to do it and teaching them, and also I just remember running alongside my kid and thinking, wow, a year ago I could not have done this. And it was just fantastic. Tying my shoes without having to exhale all the air first. Things like that. Those are the biggest things. And we've actually, some of our kids have started doing keto. One of them, he decided he didn't want to do keto anymore. And he has tummy issues right now. I'd like to know the fix for that, but I don't know. It's just interesting because you can't force someone to do this, and I think that's my biggest problem on keto is I'll see people and it's just like, oh, I can help you, but they have to want to be helped, and that's insanely frustrating, especially when it's your kids or your parents. We just came from Keto Fest, and I don't remember who it was, but they talked about the powdered butt syndrome. Anyone who powdered your butt.
Oh, yeah.
Ken Berry.
It was Ken. That's right. It was Ken Berry. Anyone who powdered your butt isn't going to take you seriously when you give them health advice. So, it's frustrating to see people who you really wish you could help out, but.
Who here has friends and family members that you're like, oh, I wish you'd come and join me?
But, and the funny thing is, you stick with keto long enough, and they tend to come around.
Yeah.
The people who made fun of you at work because you're eating, butter. I haven't gotten quite that much, but they tend to, they see what you're doing, and then they tend to come around and finally ask you how to do it, and then they say, well, that's too hard. And then about a year later, they're like, okay, maybe my A1C is 8, so anyway.
Not yours, but that's
No,
what
no,
they're saying. Yeah.
no. My A1C is like 5.7 or something like that. It's fantastic. But
Thank you so much, Chris, for sharing your story and all the work that you're doing. Another example of somebody who's inspired to help